Hello students, welcome to the lecture number 5 of marketing management. In previous classes we have talked about different definitions of marketing, different concepts, definitions, but our today topic is a little bit different from the previous lectures. In today's lecture we have got marketing research. Marketing research is very important topic of marketing management. Marketing research. Now let's start with the definition of the research. Then we will go to marketing research. Research means to find out solution for a problem by the use of scientific method. We are using scientific method to find out solution for an existing problem of the organization, that is called research. Now what is meant by scientific method? Scientific method means that there is a logical process, step by step process which is used for collection of data. Then we are analyzing the data, then conclusion is forwarded to the report, and their report is submitted to different departments. So this process is called scientific method, which is a little bit explanatory, and that is a little bit technical that we will discuss in coming class, in the class of marketing research. But however, this is the definition of the research, that there is a problem is existing in the organization. We are collecting the data is raw form of information, and then we are processing that raw form of information to convert into information. Information means complete information, complete answer to an existing problem. This process is called research. Or we can say in simple word that research is a process in which we are converting data into information. Data, raw form of information that needs to be processed to convert it into information. Same is the case with the marketing research. In marketing research, we are collecting data from the external environment. In external environment, you have studied in previous semester that we have got two types of environment. One is called micro environment, one is called macro environment. In micro environment, we have some forces which are very closer to the organization. That is customer, that is supplier, wholesaler, retailer, competitor, or own employees. All these people are called micro environment of the organization. In other words, macro environment. In macro environment, we have got some major forces like government, tax system of the country, inflation, employment, unemployment, imports, exports, economic situation, political situation, technological situation, societal situation of the country. All these forces are called macro environment, or a huge factor of the organization. So now changes are coming in the external factor, in micro environment as well as in macro environment. So these changes are disturbing the marketing situation. Fluctuation is coming there. Sometime demand is going up for your product, then it coming decreasing the demand. Fluctuation is there, ups and down in the market is there. Different changes are there in the external environment, trends are there. We are conducting marketing research to know exactly about the new trends, about the new changes, about the new perception of the customers, about their styles, about the demand, about the supply, about the governmental intervention, about the competitor products, innovation, price, etc. So we are collecting data, then we are processing the data to reach to the conclusion or to convert this data to the information. This process is called marketing research. I have also written a simple definition over here of marketing research, that it is the function. Actually, marketing research is a function, it is a process, it is a huge activity of the organization that links consumer, customer and public to marketer through information. It means that in marketing research, the marketer is collecting the information. With the help of this information, this marketer will be in direct contact, will be in link with the consumer, with the customer, with the public, with the society, with the external environment, whether it is micro environment or macro environment. So this process is called marketing research. So then we are talking about information, that actually this research process connects the marketer to the society with the help of information. Means in research the game is revolving around the information. You are doing something with the information, or you are converting raw information to the final information. Information used to identify and define marketing opportunities and problem. When we are collecting this information, this raw information, then we are analyzing this information, we are converting this information to the final information. Why we are doing so? To know about the opportunities or to find out solution for an existing problem. You should know the definition of the opportunity in the market. Any positive change in the market is called opportunity, which we have studied in previous semester. Any positive trend or change in the market is called opportunity. Any negative change in the market or trend, any negative change or trend in the market is called threat. So we are collecting this information to know about these opportunities and these threats, and at the same time to find out solution for an existing problem in our organization. This overall process is called marketing research. So in most of the cases, this research is conducted by the organization itself. Marketing department is conducting this marketing research. You know that in huge organization, marketing department is subdivided into two branches, two sub-departments. One department is advertising and promotion. Another department is R&D department, research and development department. Research and development department, the basic function of research and development department is to collect data, analyze data and process the data, or to complete the research process for the organization from time to time to know exactly what is going on in the market, what is going on with the customer, what is going on with the competitor, what is from the governmental side, what about trade, imports, exports, inflation, all these things, etc. But in some cases, when the organization is not capable of conducting this research by itself, then what they are doing, they are hiring an external research firm. Research firms or research organizations are those firms or organizations which are conducting research for their clients, for other organizations. So there are different kinds of research firms, but majorly we are dividing these research firms into three types. Number one of which is syndicated service firms. Number second is custom marketing research firms. Number third, specialty line marketing research firms. Number one is syndicated service firms. Before going to this definition, I will tell you about something about syndicated service research firm. The syndicated service firms or syndicated research firms are not completing your research process from A to Z, but instead they are just only collecting data from the external market. So data, they are storing this data with themselves in their databases. If you are conducting research, so you can go there to buy this data from that syndicated service research firm. So throughout the year they are collecting just only data and they are selling this data to different organizations which need this data for their research process. So they are only collecting data and selling data for a specific fees on the demand of any organization. Second thing is custom marketing research firms. Custom marketing research firm means that they are conducting research from A to Z. I will give you one example. Let's suppose you have launched a new mobile by the name of CX. CX is your new mobile. After 3-4 months, this mobile is performing very poorly performance mobile is you have launched. So now you are hiring a research firm, custom marketing research firm, so that they can conduct research from data collection to the final report of the research to tell you where the problem lies with your new mobile phone. So this is called custom marketing research firm, that they are completing your research from A to Z, from collecting the data to analyzing the data to making the report and finally submitting you the report with the conclusion or with the solution of your problem. This is called custom marketing research firms. or I have written over here that these firms are hired to carry out specific projects. This was your one project of research, so this firm will carry out this complete project of your research. Number third or final is specialty line marketing research firms. Specialty line. The definition of this research firm is clear by its name, specialty line. It means that they are not completing the overall research project for organization, but instead they are providing one activity of the research. That one activity of research, you know that in research process there are many activities: data collection, data analysis, report making, conclusion, etc., etc. So they are providing you just only one function of the research process. Let's suppose there is an organization ABC, and that provides you just only the service of conducting a survey. So you saw that they are not completing your overall research process, but they are just only conducting survey for you. Or there is another organization which is just only analyzing the data which has been collected by your organization. So that analysis of the data is conducted by this specialty line marketing research firm. It means that they are not conducting the overall research process, but they are just only doing one function of the research process. This is called specialty line marketing research firms. So thank you very much, students. Today our topic was about marketing research. In coming class we will be talking about marketing research process. Be with me. Khuda Hafiz.